To be bitten by an Australian snake. There's just one thing you need that is incredibly helpful.
That is a compression bandage. Birds are naturally very social in the wild and they have a very distinct call. If you keep your eyes and ears open, you might be lucky enough to see some of these amazing birds flying around Australia.
But now we would love to introduce you to the pink aerial acrobats, our beautiful Australian galahs, Swag and Grumpy. There we go.
12 feet long and 250 kilograms. Your crocodile today is Bluey.
Going to crocodile territory is this.
Is going into their water, splashing around, which is generally how humans swim. Males like Bluey are really territorial, so entering into their water like I've just done is a real infringement onto his house.
And they don't like it, so now that I've annoyed
You can have that. There he goes. Now Bluey was taking his time today, like I said, but on a really hot day, when he means business, he can strike from the tip of his nose to the base of his tail.
and perfectly designed for doing what they do in and around the water's edge. Yeah, mate, there's a little bit better strike there.
Good boy. That was worth the wait. Give him a round of applause. Pick it up. So what we'll do now, seeing he loves it so much, we'll get Brucey to do a tail walk and show us that.
Checked off the reeds. There you go. You can see what he does. He plants his back feet on the base of the pond and then he uses that tail like an enormous rudder to thrust himself up out of the water. Some of our bigger crocodiles have been able to get their head up and over the top of this top rail when they really mean it. So the lesson to be learned from this is when you are up in northern Australia, don't use those big melaleuca branches as somewhere to sit and read or have a fish from.
Because they get to Bluey's size and bigger. Once you actually see them on hard solid ground, They're actually really slow and cumbersome, and would you believe that that's as quick as I've ever seen Bluey run? So, good boy, mate. Give him one last round of applause. He's been so good today. So once you get it out, you can see that the hard solid ground is really just not what they're about. They're a semi-aquatic animal, and you can see straight away I'm only 2 meters from him, and he couldn't care less.
My dad taught me from a very early age, be at one with the snake. Feel it, son. And I am. Woo! I've got to get the camera. I've got to be right in there. I have to get right fair smack into the action. Here we go, look at this. Look at this. I'm going to push it. I'm going to push it to the limit. Danger, danger, danger. I jumped on a croc under the water. Whack, hit me in the head. Scarred me here. Woo! I'm on top of the world. I'm going to push it to the limit. Woo! I get to do the wildest things in the world. I'm going to push it to the limit. You need to come with me. I want to share it with you. Come with me. Share my wildlife with me. Woo! This is just such a special moment. This is what I want to share with you. All I want to do is show you the beauty of this animal. I'm going to have to be so careful here. See the way they jump? Did you see that? Holy smokes! Holy smokes! I've been bitten, pee on, jumped on, whacked. See the way they jump? Did you see that? Holy smokes! Holy smokes! No two fingers are the same. They've been snapped, split, chopped. I'll stay on that river. I just won't stop because I feel so passionate about all of our wildlife. Danger, danger, danger. Woo! I'm on top of the world. I'm gonna push it to the limit. Woo! I get to do the wildest things in the world. I'm gonna push it to the limit. You need to come with me. I wanna share it with you. Come with me. Share my wildlife with me. Woo!